Hello there, in this tutorial I will show you my process of creating characters from the initial concept to a full illustration for your character's design. Okay, let's get right in. Let's start with a keywording mind mapping. For every character's design concept, I will think in terms of the keywords first. So in this way, I can confidently know what my character will look like by describing them in words. For example, the keywords mapping I did here, later on I will find photo reference and draw the characters based on those keywords. Next will be character primary attributes. Character attributes are aspects of strength, agility, and intelligence found in all character design. Based on these three attributes, we can know what kind of body types and what kind of clothing style that I will input for the character design. Those are the photo reference that I found online. Photo reference are very depend on the individuals. As for me, I use horns to represent Vikings and Mischievous, and a full arm multiple plate armor for flexible and protection, and to represent heavy as well. Okay, as you can see, this is sketches that I done using all the method we went through just now. As for the art detail, I decided to give it 2 stars out of 5. This is the art details, meaning that later painting and so for the final artwork, I will not put too much effort painting into the details. So this is the level of the details that I will put into. That means it's 2 out of 5. So out until now, I can say that we are about 50% done. All we need to do now is to proceed with clear lines and do the painting. And okay, let's go. Alright, now we are in the sketching stage, meaning what you can see right now, I'm clearing up the lines, putting more details lines. The tool I use here is pencil in clipstudio. I'll move on to color blocking, meaning putting colors underneath the lines and choosing the colors for my characters. For color selection, I'll try not to choose color that is too saturated, so that later I will have more space to play with the colors itself. Inserting a dark accent, meaning that the darkest point of the whole entire painting itself. It helps to give the weight to the characters or the weight to a certain object in the whole painting. At this point, I will paint in more shading to the armors to make it more dimensional, and also paint the eye, and then I will adjust the design using color blocking using paintbrush tool. And then I went on to paint the hair colors, the hair shade, and then adjust the design along the way. As you guys can see that I actually paint the hair wrongly, and then I undo everything and then do it again. I mean, doing it wrong is also part of the process of getting it right. Picking more highlights of the armors, skin shade more pinkish. I'll add more pink to the skin. I add a pink outline on the character outline to actually separate it from the background, so they look more interesting. The highlights on the character is always the final stage that I will do. For these characters, I do it shining on the right. And here we go, we got the final rendering of the combat character design. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please let me know what you guys think of this tutorial on the comment below. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.